Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a Roblox stuck. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox stuck, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to this window of Roblox and you will enter. Here in this page of apps you can search about your Roblox as you see, and then we click force stop. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.